Want to transform your photos into anime characters? Here's how to do it in Canva using their magical 3D portrait tool. First, create a new project in Canva, then head to the Apps section and search for 3D portrait. Open the app and upload your chosen photo. For best results, use the Remove Background option if your subject needs cleaner edges. Now click Generate 3D Image and watch as Canva works its magic. In just moments, you'll see your photo transform into a charming anime version. When you're happy with the result, simply click Add to Design to place your new anime character in your project. That's all it takes to create professional-looking anime avatars without any design skills. For more creative Canva tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Happy designing!